The Chick and the Duckling by Mirra Ginsburg, pictures by Aruego and Ariane Dewey. A duckling came out of the shell. "I am out," he said. "Me too," said the chick. "I am taking a walk," said the duckling. "Me too," said the chick. "I am digging a hole," said the duckling. "Me too," said the chick. "I found a worm," said the duckling. "Me too," said the chick. "I caught a butterfly," said the duckling. "Me too," said the chick. "I am going for a swim," said the duckling. "Me too," said the chick. "I am swimming," said the duckling. "Me too," cried the chick. The duckling pulled the chick out. "I'm going for another swim," said the duckling. "Not me," said the chick. The end.
Hi everybody! If you like this video, subscribe here for more. Bye!